one strategy on being successful in real estate investing?
A big one for me is leverage your assets. Once I had that first piece of commercial property, I used that as collateral, the equity that I had built in that, to then purchase the second, third, and fourth pieces of property. I didn't put any additional money down out of my own pocket. So the little nest egg that I had set aside for rainy days, maybe I didn't have a tenant for a while, perhaps there was a tax increase, I kept all that money to be able to use it if I needed it, and used the bank's money instead.